how to break up with someone because they're toxic. You don't know how to listen. You don't know how to listen. You only hear what helps you. You only hear what helps you. Every disagreement turns into drama. Every disagreement turns into drama. You turn problems into performances. You turn problems into performances. You play the victim when you're wrong. You play the victim when you're wrong. You always say that you're going to change. You always say that you're going to change. And then nothing actually changes. And then nothing actually changes. Your apologies are empty. Your apologies are empty. You're always looking for conflict. You're always looking for conflict. Being around you is exhausting. Being around you is exhausting. Your chaos runs everything. Your chaos runs everything. I won't live inside that anymore. I won't live inside that anymore. So now that you know how to say these phrases clearly and naturally, you can go date around freely without having to worry about getting stuck in a toxic relationship, and you just boosted up your English.